Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video with me, Kay. And in this one, I'll be showing you how I prepare garlic buttered sweet corn. Right here, I have my pot on medium heat, came to a little boil, and I've added some all-purpose seasoning, a little salt to taste, added about 3 garlic cloves. I've grated maybe one and then the other. I cut in about 2 to 3 pieces, added in some margarine and mix that all together, and then put the corns in and let all of that cook in that seasoned water. I prefer to do it this way so that cooking the corn, it will get all of that buttery goodness, it will get that seasoned water. And all I have to do when the corn is cooked is just lightly apply some more butter to my corn and I'm good to go, as opposed to boiling the corn and then cooking up some garlic in some buttered mixture and then pasting it on to the corn. For me, I prefer it this way. You're not using up too much butter. You may be not using too much garlic. If you serving kids, they might not like the garlic taste and that kind of stuff. So it's all done right here, and I'm just gonna, garnish it with some parsley right there, brush on the butter, and this is how I prepare garlic butter sweet corn. It's lovely to have as a snack, as a side dish, that kind of stuff. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.